Hi kids, we learn farm animals and their baby's name. Cow, calf. A baby cow is called a calf. Goat, kid. A baby goat is called a kid. Sheep, lamb. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Pig, piglet. A baby pig is called a piglet. Rabbit, bunny. A baby rabbit is called a bunny. Duck, duckling. A baby duck is called a duckling. Hen, chick. A baby hen is called a chick. Dog, puppy. A baby dog is called a puppy. Cat, kitten. A baby cat is called a kitten. Donkey, foal. A baby donkey is called a foal. Horse, foal. A baby horse is called a foal.